How to stop sharing stories from Instagram to Facebook. So all you have to do is to go here to your Instagram application and it will lead you to your homepage, right? Now, first is you have to of course set a story first. So let's say you want to stop sharing stories from Instagram to Facebook, but you still want to sync your account to from both Instagram and Facebook. And to do that is you have to go here to your stories section here, your camera, and create a story. So let's say I'm just gonna choose a picture here, a photo here. Let's say this photo, I want to use this. And then on the bottom part, you will see your stories and close friends. Now on your stories, you will see the Facebook icon there. That means it will also be uploaded to your Facebook story. So to be able to stop sharing that story is to actually long press your stories here and toggle off your Facebook story and tap on share. Now let's say you want to stop sharing your stories from Instagram to Facebook, then the other way is to actually you have to go here to your three dash lines here and go to settings. Now under settings, go here to account center and then tap on sharing across profile here and then tap on Facebook here and then here you will see automatically share your Facebook story. So if you want to stop sharing your stories from Instagram to Facebook, then just toggle that off. And basically that is how you stop sharing stories from Instagram to Facebook. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.